Hey guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Today I'm going to break down I Hope I Get It from Chorus Line. So I think this is one of the most difficult dances from a Broadway show. If you've ever watched a video of it or on YouTube, and you know the dance is very, very fast. If you've ever just watched it and you've tried to learn it, and you go, this isn't making sense. It's not counted by 8s, it's counted by 6s. And yeah, I think Michael Bennett's choreography in this is genius. I think it's a really, if you've ever really tried to break it down and learn it, it's a very athletic dance. I don't know that it's a pretty dance, but it's a really fun dance to learn. And it's a very creative dance. Like I say, I think it's one of the best dances ever to grace a Broadway stage. But it's, if you've ever tried to learn it, it's very picture. I mean, he really did try with every single step once you learn it. And you see what I mean? That every single count of 6 is almost like a picture. But when you go really fast with it, you don't realize that. You just think you're just learning every step. And to try and make it perfect is almost impossible, even for the best dancer, because you're just flying through it. You know, to try and get every leap, every turn, every nuance of it is just darn near impossible. So what I'm here to do is literally just break down the dance count by count, step by step. I'm not just going to do it a few times and let's say, hey, put it to music and let's go. No, I am literally here to break it down step by step, count by count. If you've ever truly wanted to learn this dance and go, what is that dance? I can't get it. I can't get it. I really can't get it. No, I want you to get this dance. I was taught by one of my most favorite dance teachers who worked on Broadway in a chorus line, taught by Mr. Bennett. So I do have some tips and tricks and can give you some guidance into this. And if chorus line is coming up in your school or company's season this season, and you know, this may be your audition piece, this really is going to be your audition piece, you might want to stick around and learn it. I have been in a chorus line a couple of times. I've auditioned for it, and a few times I've been Diana Morales, I've been Cassie, and I've had different choreographers give me this piece. Some do it true to form, some gloss over it, some make it a little less challenging. So you never know what you're going to get at the audition. But stick around. I'm going to give you the real deal. All right, let's do it. All right, so it starts out, like I said, count of 6. So even though they say a 5, 6, 7, 8, da-na-na-na. No. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, but count of 6s. So it's 1. That's your first picture. You go up on releve, strong jazz hand. 2. 3 comes down, 4. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Hands are up here, and 6 is a snap. And that 6 is knee, foot to knee. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's your first count of 6. All right, going on, it's a step, and this is like a little scoop jump. So that's 1, 2, 3, and you do go all the way down for 4, 5, come up, and it's like an explosion to a kick, like a flick kick. Okay, and that's on the 6. So that's stepping forward, 1, scoop, 2, 3, go all the way down, 4, 5, explosion into a kick, 6. All right, from there, you're going to cross over 1, and this is really sharp. This is is all very stylized jazz of the 70s. I mean, that's when the show came out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're in releve, and you're very Fosse-esque here. Very pushed up. You're making a line, and you're in releve, and you're pushed up, very forward, squared hips, pushed up. 3, 4. You're going to pivot. Now the line is a lunge this way for 5, and your arms, so you just, arms are back. 3, 4. You come around, and now your arms are here. So it is, your left is front, and your right is in back. Palms are flat. And then that's 5, and you step out, switch, and you wrap. The arms wrap as you come out to a lunge. That's 6. Palms are wide open, wide around the tummy, wide up here. So that count of 6 was, you just did the flick kick 6, step out, sharp here, 1, that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Moving on. Your arms are going to go counterclockwise. Sorry. And you're going to step and do this like doggy style attitude. It's not a pretty attitude. Okay? We always think of nice attitudes in ballet. But this is an attitude to the side, and your head goes with it. So that's, you just finished this pose, this lunging pose. And now you're going to step, and your arms are going to go 1, 2, 3. Soutenu 4. Step out 5, 6. And that's just a push out 5, 6. So that's, you were here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Soutenu 5. Push out 6. All right. So just from the top, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step 1, scoop 2, 3. Go down 4, 5. Explode 6. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Lunge, push those hips. Wrap arms 5, 6. Arms go around to attitude. 1, 2, 3. Cross 4. Soutenu 5. Push out 6. If you're wondering where you are with the music, this is da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 na. Okay, that's where we are with the music. From there, we just finished there. It's a coupe. So you've just done a little coupe and arms around. So that's on a 1, 2. Switch arms and legs. 3, 4. 5, you come up. Releve. And now arms, instead of palms here, arms, hands are facing the walls. And you're in releve. 5, and it's a shimmy shoulder. 5 and 6 and. So push those shoulders really forward. And 6 and. So you just, from here, you went coupe, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and. Okay? From this is where gets a little tricky. You're going to come to first demi, and watch my video on demi-pliés and how important just a demi-plié is. Okay, yeah, I know I snuck that in there. All right, you are here. Come to first demi-plié position, and that's 1. Now, 2 is a leap, and the leap is, it's second, your leg's gonna go to an attitude, front leg shoots out. It's like a stag jump, okay? I will kill myself if I try to leap in here from my furniture situation, but it's attitude in back, arms or hands kind of go out. So it's stag, attitude in back, front leg shoots out. So that's 1 leap. Now this is very important. When you land from the leap, you immediately go to prep for double pirouette, jazz pirouette. Now, focus on downstage right corner, okay? And you're gonna spot for double pirouette, downstage right corner. When you do the pirouette, you've got to focus there, your spot, obviously, that's where you're doing your pirouette. And as you come out of the pirouette, your spot immediately has to change, because what stops your momentum out of that is an arabesque. And your arabesque and your arms shoot forward. So that's on 3 double pirouette. Can't do this slowly, but boom, that's on 4. From there, you tuck, and there's like a leap that comes out of that. This is that where you hear it in the music at the beginning, turn, turn, out, leap, okay? So that connects with turn, turn, okay. So you've just done the turn, turn, this is the leap. It's like a little hop over. That's 5, 6. Okay? So you've just finished the 6 here. Coupe, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 hand. Come to first. Leap is on 2. Set 3 for your pirouette. Shoot out on 4 to the arabesque. 5 is the leap. And 6. Okay, we're almost finished. You're gonna step, kick, kick. That's 2, 3, 4. You jump to 4, literally jump to 4th position. Kick out, and the head and the hands flop. I would never say that in dance, just flop, but that's what he did. It's flop. That was 4, 5, 6. Okay. So from that 6, after the little leap, 6, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Going on, turn, turn. These are chaîné turns, and they're going to travel right, but they're not chaîné turns right. You're gonna turn them to the back, which means they're chaîné turns to your left. So you're gonna go this way, and there's 2 of them. So you just finished here. You're gonna go chaîné, chaîné, running out of room, and you're gonna take right leg back, left leg back, right front. That's pivot, step, walk, walk, walk. That's the end of it, where you hear that in the music classically. So you've just finished the little, another one of those little hitch kicks step. Then it's the chaîné, chaîné, right, left, right, pivot, step, and your arms come like this, like a cape almost, very dramatic, and walk, walk, walk. And that is, I hope I get it broken down. So, I'm forgetting where we left off in the music. If you were, I think I left off here, and so I have to kind of backtrack. So if you were to go, it's da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 na. That's it. And this is that da na 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 na. That's why there's that little shake. Da na, leap, da na 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 na. That's the other accent. Da na na. Okay. Da na 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 na. He hits all those accents. Da na 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 na. Da 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 na 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 na. Not pivot, step, walk, walk, walk. And you would hear it in the music. They always end on that. Bump, 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 bump. All right. So I hope I've slowed this down enough for you to where you could follow along with counts. I've slowed it down enough to where you can just learn it very, very slow. Rewind it, watch it back, and then you speed it up with music as you see fit. Get it up to speed because it is so fast. Once that music goes, I mean, it's so powerful and it's so exciting. I love the way this show starts. I mean, it just starts off with a bang. Anyway, all right. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will check you out in all my other videos. You check out my other videos. All right, see you later. God, I hope you get it.